we're going to explain how to create a JSON file. JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight format for exchanging data. It's incredibly common on the internet because it's easy for both humans and computers to read. Let's learn how to make our own. 1. Choosing your method. You can create a JSON file using several methods. You can use a simple text editor, like Notepad on Windows or TextEdit on Mac, a more advanced code editor, like VS Code, Sublime Text, or Atom, or even a specialized JSON editor. For this explanation, we'll stick with a simple text editor because it's universally available. 2. Creating the structure. JSON data is structured in key-value pairs, enclosed in curly braces for objects and square brackets for arrays. Keys are strings enclosed in double quotes, and values can be various data types like strings, numbers, booleans, true, false, or nested objects and arrays. Let's make a simple example representing a person. Name: Alice. Age: 30. City: New York. Notice the keys, name, age, city, are in double quotes, and the values are appropriately assigned. If we wanted to add a list of hobbies, we'd use an array. Wash name, Alice, age, 30, city, New York, hobbies, reading, hiking, coding. See how hobbies is a key pointing to a value that is an array of strings? 3. Writing to the file. Open your chosen text editor. Type the JSON data you've created, ensuring perfect syntax. Every opening brace must have a closing brace, every opening bracket a closing bracket, and commas are used correctly between key-value pairs within objects and between items in arrays. Once you've checked everything, save the file. Crucially, you must save the file with a JSON extension. For example, if our JSON data was about a person, we might save it as person.json. 4. Checking for errors. Many code editors will provide syntax highlighting and error checking for JSON. If you're using a simple text editor, you can validate your JSON using an online JSON validator. Simply paste the contents of your file into the validator, and it will check for syntax errors. Correcting these is vital, as an incorrectly formatted JSON file will be unusable. 5. Using your JSON file. Now you have a valid JSON file. You can use this file with various programming languages, Python, JavaScript, Java, etc., to store and access data. Many web applications and APIs use JSON to transfer data between the server and the client. Many online tools or programming libraries can easily read and parse, interpret JSON files, and access the data within them. This allows for efficient data transfer and manipulation. For example, you might use it to store configuration settings for a program or to communicate information between different parts of a web application.